the list.
Yes, madam.
May buntag tanan.
Wala yun po, mamang.
Verify.
Kailangan ulitin.
So since you know each other now let's proceed to our orientation. So sino dito ang caregivers? Nursing assistants? Mostly nursing goals. Guidelines and procedures while on clinical rotation, and the part two is what I'm talking about, the intensive return demo. So what are your expectations sa intensive return demo? Are you ready? Yung mga maingay dyan, manda mo.
Hala, Eunice!
Okay, let's start. So this is the International Patient Safety Goals, or IPSG. Please refer to your copy kung hindi makita doon sa ano. So the first goal is to identify the patients correctly. How are you going to identify the patient? If we are in the hospital settings, how are you going to identify your patient?
For me through the QID.
Can be. What else? If you can remember, when you go to the hospital, upon admission, there is a wristband
Sticker. Identification.
na ilalagay sa pasyente. Ano yung identification niya? Ano yung pangalan? Okay?